If an error code E1 presents, this signifies a failure to ignite or an accidental flameout. Environmental conditions like wind can cause this. Ensure that the propane tank is not empty and meets the minimum pressure requirements of 13 inches of water column pressure. If a tank has been refilled, there might be air in the supply lines, and starting a range can purge this. If an error code of E2 displays, this means that a flame signal was detected before the ignition process started. We want to ensure that the sensor is properly connected and clean. If an error code E3 indicates, it's a possible thermostat failure with water above the maximum temperature being measured. This can also caused by too hot of ambient water coming into the unit, but more often is related to the water flow. We want 1.5 gallons per minute flowing through the system at a minimum. If an error code E4 presents, this points to a possible failure of the inlet temperature probe. Check the probe and its electrical connections, repair or replace as needed. If an error code E5 presents, this indicates a possible fan or airflow failure. If the fan is damaged or not working, replace it or check it for cleanliness. If an error code E6 presents, this signifies that the outlet water is too hot. We want to ensure that the water pressure and flow meets the required levels of 1.5 gallons per minute. If an error code of E7 presents, this indicates a possible failure with the gas inlet valve. Ensure that all connections to the gas valve are secured. If an error code E8 presents, it's a possible air pressure switch failure or debris is causing airflow restriction. Ensure the fan is functioning correctly and the connections are secure. If an error code E9 presents, this indicates that the flame sensor is detecting a flame before the combustion process starts. If the sensor is faulty, replace it. If an EN code presents, this signifies that the water heater has operated longer than the preset time limitations. If an FD code is presented, this indicates that the cold weather anti-freeze system is active. If you continue to experience issues, consult the owner's manual or visit rvmp.co/manuals for more detailed troubleshooting steps. You can also contact Flex Temp Customer Service for assistance.